Hello everyone, welcome to PyCoder. Today in this tutorial we'll see how to install Python 3.8 in Ubuntu or Linux from the source code. Let's download Python 3.8 installer from the official website of Python. Now click the link from python.org, that's the official website of Python. Now click on the download Python 3.8.3. This will automatically recognize your OS and download Python installer for you. Now open up the download folder and now we have to unzip the downloaded file. Let's do that by running a tar.xz command in terminal. So now let's get into the extracted folder by running cd python 3.8.3. Before installing the program, we need to configure the installer first by running /configure enable optimizations. This will take a while, so let's wait for the process to complete. Configuration is done. Let's install the program by running sudo make alt install so that it doesn't overwrite any previously installed Python 3 version. So the installation is done. Let's check the version of Python. We can see that the default version is still 2.7. Let's exit from here. But if we run the command for Python 3.8, it's showing that it's already installed. The case is it's not set as the default Python of your system. To do so, let's copy the installed location of Python 3.8. Then open .bashrc file with your favorite text editor and write alias python equal to and then the location inside the double quotation. Now save it and close the text editor. Now again we check the version of the Python, but it's still 2.7 because the terminal is still using the previous bash. So let's reload the bash by running source./bashrc. Now we see that the default version is Python 3.8. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. See you in the next video.